Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have another question. We have solve. They're asking us to solve this thing. We have 1 by 20, 1 by 30, 1 by 42, 1 by 56, right? All these things. So I make maths Olympiad questions on this channel. And whenever I do something, I do any question, I always tell you to I always tell you guys to observe first. Whatever you get, whenever you get a question, always try to observe. What do we have here? Why are they giving only these numbers? Right? Ask these questions to yourself. If you look at it, we have some random numbers. 20, there is no pattern, nothing like that, right? So we need to observe, can we somehow make a pattern? Can we somehow break these numbers? Because if you will solve these things, you start taking like LCM and all, this question will take like forever, right? And when we get these types of questions in Olympiad or in any competitive exam, we do not have that much time. We cannot spend that much time on only one question. Okay. So whenever you get any question, always observe and then try to solve it. Okay. So if you see here, it's 20. If I break 20, it is like you can say 4 times 5 or 2 times 2 times 5, something like that. Since I don't know how to solve it, so I will try to just break it, okay? So if we see 30, 30 can be written as 5 times 6, okay? We are actually getting a pattern. If we see 42, it is 6 times 7, 56, 7 times 8, 8 times 9 is 72, 9 times 10 is 90. That means there is a pattern. Observation always makes the question simpler, right? So we have 1 by 4 times 5 plus 1 by 5 times 6 plus 1 by 6 times 7 plus 1 by 7 times 8 plus 1 by 8 times 9 plus 1 by 9 times 10. Now how to proceed with this then? We have okay, it is okay, we have done it, we have solved it, something we have done, okay, but now we need to actually solve this thing further. Okay, if you know, I will tell you a trick now. If you don't know this, whenever we have 1 by n times n plus 1, this thing can be written as 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Do you know this? Why? If you have suppose this thing and you take LCM, what will you get? You will get n plus 1 minus n, and you cancel out. You will get 1 by n plus 1. So we know this now that 1 by 4 times 5 can be written as 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, right? Similarly, 1 by 5 times 6 can be written as 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. This is easy now, right? So 1 by 6 minus 1 by 7. 1 by 7 minus 1 by 8. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9. 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10. Right or not? I hope you are getting it, right? Now we just need to cancel out everything, right? We came on 1 by 4 minus 1 by 10, right? So this you have, and you can take LCM, which is 20, and 5 minus 2, you will get 3 over 20. So it was not hard at all, because I was explaining you that's why it took like 4 minutes. If you will solve it yourself, it will just take like only some seconds when you know these tricks. But the provided you solve these questions by yourself, you do practice, you explain it to somebody, when you teach it to somebody, when you like try these types of questions, then you will never forget this. Okay, forgetting you forgetting questions done in like some seconds in the test, you need to practice a lot. Okay, so if you will practice, you will not complain for anything then. Okay, things will automatically become easy for you. So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for visiting, and check out more videos and share it with your friends if you can. I need your support. Please support me. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.